One of the interesting things about being a coach is seeing the penny drop for people that know the answers, that don't like hearing what they need to do. And when that realization hits around formulas, like the formula for life success is the DGLPA. So the D stands for dreams. Dreams are anything sort of 5 to 10, 20, maybe even 30 years out. The G is the goals. The goals are things that are from 30 days to maximum 18 months to 2 years. The interesting thing there is that people build these little goals and have these small dreams that don't scare them. If your goals don't scare you, they're not big enough. So when your goals are too big and people tell you that you're probably not going to be able to achieve that, that might be true of the person that you are today. Through the hand-holding, through the amount of learning that you go through the coaching process, that is not true of the person that you're going to become. Because the L in the DGLPA is the learning. And the amount of learnings that people have in the coaching process is phenomenal. We go through things like life journeys. We go through things that people have been afraid to have a look at before, like forensic audits, like things like looking at the cash flow forecasts. So we teach people how to do that, and the learnings from there are really good. The P is, with the new learnings, we can create the new plan. With the new plan, we can create something that you've never had before. And when you look at the amount of planning that goes into large businesses, it is no different for that informal business or for that smaller business. The plans are the things that lead us to the success that we've been looking for. And with days like we've had recently, the 90-day business planning seminars or the growth clubs, we build the action plan. We build the step-by-step ladder to achieve the great things that we're looking for and the great success that we're hoping to achieve.